I remember one time, mostly I guided in English, but one time the group was all English speaking, and they had one old man who did not speak English, and he wanted a guide in Yiddish. So they put him on my bus right in front, and because I knew a little Yiddish, they told me to pay attention to him. So we started the tour, and after a couple of hours we stopped for a coffee break, and he came over to me and he says to me, "Is there a guter guide?" I said, "Danke." He says, "Yesterday I went on a trip to Tiberias and I had a very bad guide." So I said to him, "Why was he bad?" He says, "Well, there were some English-speaking people on the bus, some French-speaking people, and me." So when he was explaining in English, he was explaining for a long time. When he was explaining in French, he was explaining for a long time. And when it came to Yiddish, zwei Wörter and Shoyn geendigt. I said to him, "Look, an Englishman, you have to explain to him a long time until he understands. A Frenchman, you have to explain a long time until he understands. Aid, zwei Wörter, schon verstanden." So we continue on the tour. So now I'm trying to pay more attention to him and explain to him a little bit more in Yiddish. And he says, "Schon verstanden, schon verstanden."